So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a loop. This is what a loop looks like. This is a loop. I'm going to be showing you how to make this big size and the small size, right? What would you be needing? You need a wire, the copper wire. This is 0.90. You need your round nose, very, very important. You need a flat nose. Can you see that? You need flat nose. And then you need your cutter, of course. Alright, so let's get started. If you can make a loop, then you'll be able to make this. You'll be able to make loops to connect your beads together. So when you hear wire jewelry, this is what they're talking about. Alright, so let's put this aside and let's get started into. Now, this round nose, right? You can see that it starts from here. It starts with a tiny mouth all the way down, right? From tiny to the big one, here. The essence of this mouth, this small one and the big one here, is to decide the size of loop that you want to make. So if you want a small loop, then you use it here. If you want a big one, you go all the way down, right? So I'm going to go ahead and cut out some wire in my cutter. The flat nose in this case is used to make adjustments of your wire jewelry, right? To straighten it. Alright, so you should have something like this. Then you go ahead and put your wire in between your round nose. I'm going to be starting with the small one. Put your wire in between the round nose. Now, when you want to make a loop, make sure that you can't feel the wire. For this case, I can, so I'm just going to take it down a little bit. You shouldn't feel the wire, but at the same time, your round nose should be holding the wire. Do you understand it? Should have something like this. You should not feel the wire, but your round nose should be holding the wire. Then you go ahead and turn all the way clockwise. You turn clockwise, right? So again, look at it. I can't feel it. Then you turn clockwise. You hold your make sure that your round nose is resting on your hand, right? Just to secure the wire. So just the tip of your finger. Then you turn all the way. Turn all the way, right? You'd have something like this. This is not a perfect loop yet, but we are close, right? So there's supposed to be a closure. I don't have that perfect closure yet. So I'm just going to put my wire back inside, and then this time around I'm going to turn anti-clockwise back inside. I'm going to go ahead and take my flat nose to make adjustment. Don't forget I said in this case your flat nose is used to make adjustments. Then you adjust. You can use it to tuck it in, right? Doing something like this. Now it's still not perfect. Put your loop, your round nose back inside, and watch what I'm about to do. We have a loop here, right? So you're going to use your hand to bend it backward a bit. You're not using the round nose to bend, right? Just, did you see what I did there? Yeah. Can you see that now? I have a loop. Can always make adjustments. Always make adjustments. Do you see that? This is a loop. All right. So I have a small loop because I use the tiny part of the round nose. Now I want to make the medium size. You can see where I placed my wire, right in the middle, in between the small mouth and the big part of the round nose. So you can always decide the size of the loop that you want to make, right? Either big, medium, or the small one. This method the method is the same. Now I want to do the big size loop. I have taken my time to do the small, the medium, and the big size so you can see what each of them will look like. So make sure you practice until you get it. The method is the same for making the small loop, the medium size, and the big size. The method is the same. You can always make adjustments. Make adjustments where necessary. All right. So go ahead and create your own loop. Make your own beautiful loop, just like you have seen in this video. And I'll see you in the next one.